Hi, and welcome back to another gaming desk review. This is IKEA UTVISNING overall size with 120 centimeters, depth 60 centimeters, height 68 until 78 centimeters. The shelf depth is 22 centimeters, width 110 centimeters. The height below the shelf is 12 centimeters. Okay, let's take a closer look. The surface is smooth and nice to touch. The desk thickness around 2 centimeters. There is an extra shelf. It's connected to the frame. Notice, the desk is wider than the shelf. And there is a gap in here. The front shelf is covered with plastic edging. The amount space under here is pretty good, around 12 cm. Next, the frame. It's pretty thick. Material using steel. You can see there is a number in here. You can adjust the desk height. Over here you got a cable management, also from steel. The size is pretty wide. Okay, everything looks good. You get two pieces of hook in here, useful for headset, bags, and other things. Finally, you can hang your PC under here using these two straps. We'll talk about this later. Okay, let's try this. Is it good? Well, the desk size is decent. With 120 by 60 cm is good enough to put keyboard, mouse, and other gaming gears. Plus the shelf really helps a lot. It provides a good view and focus to the screen. And everything you put on the desk and shelf is in your reach, which is nice. In short, I like it. It's good. The space under the desk is also great. So far so good, right? Well, there is one thing you should consider. The PC placement. In my opinion, it's kinda weird. The idea is to save space on the desk by hanging the PC with these straps. But you should think about the balance. The cables from PC to monitor and others. It will look messy. When I try and sit in here a couple of times, I always hit or bump the PC. To avoid this, I can move aside a little bit. So that means the chair and monitor position is not in the center. The straps can hold maximum load 20 kg. Maximum PC size with 25 cm, depth 50 cm, and height 55 cm. Is the desk wobbly? Well, I only spend limited times with this table, so I cannot fully answer this question. And also it depends on how you work and play. Is it rough or not? Before we jump into conclusion, I want to show you the S-Effect white color version. The tabletop is smooth with wood accent color, while the frame covered in white. It makes the whole thing more bright and clean. The hook and straps come in bright yellow. So, which one do you like? Nice build quality, color options, you get a hook, a cable management, and you can adjust the height. The durability is unknown. The PC placement is weird. With price tag around 140 US dollar. Should you buy this? Well, if you're looking for a compact desk with an extra shelf, this is the one. It got a decent size, it offers a good view, and a nice sitting position. If you compare it with similar desks, this is cheaper. However, there is few things you should consider. First, there is a possibility that the PC tower could shake or unbalance due being knocked over. Second, we still don't know the durability of the straps. Finally, I wish they have a bigger size, like 140 by 60 cm. And if you don't like this, there is another option, such as IKEA Trotten and Hubert Spellare. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching. If you want to know more about IKEA gaming desk, I will leave the link in here. See you later in the next video and bye bye.